Your ERP holds the answers your business needs. InsightAI from Diluent Synergy helps you get them instantly. Most manufacturing teams struggle to access their ERP data when it matters most. Reports are static. Answers depend on analysis. And by the time decisions get made, it's too late. InsightAI is a conversational AI assistant purpose-built for manufacturers. Connected to your ERP and Power BI environment, ask questions in plain language and get real-time answers. No analysis, no waiting. Ask anything. Get immediate visual answers. Analyze key performance indicators and trends on the spot. And every user, from the shop floor to the finance team, sees insights tailored to their role, all secured on an Azure platform with enterprise-grade governance. Imagine asking, "Why did margins drop last week?" and getting the answer in seconds. Or, "Which jobs are driving labor overruns?" with the data right there to act on. That's InsightAI. Real-time answers, powered by your live ERP data. Early results speak for themselves. Up to 40% reduction in manual reporting, faster cost visibility for finance, and better schedule adherence on the shop floor. Meetings get shorter. Decisions get faster. Confidence goes up. InsightAI supports Infor Visual, Infor Sightline, Infor XA, and Acumatica, and it's portable across ERP migrations. No more waiting. No more static dashboards. No more guesswork. Just clear answers, real-time insight, and confident action, all through conversation. Developed by Diluent Synergy, the team behind an award-winning Power BI for ERP platform. Visit our website today to learn more.